Hey guys, welcome to Motoroids. And while I know we are not a tech channel, we are a motoring channel, but we are all about speed, and we have our partners in OnePlus who have been supporting us for a very long time. In fact, without their support, we wouldn't have been where we are today. And it's with their phones that we have shot almost 95% of our videos, and it's testimony to the quality of their phones, the quality of the stabilization on their cameras, the optical precision of the cameras, that we have never ever used professional cameras for our shoots. And today I am here to bring to you this special edition phone that these guys have released, and it's called the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. And I love this phone, and for all you auto aficionados, I thought it would make for a fantastic video to let you know the wonders of this fantastic machine. Now, to start off, we keep shooting all the time, and in the auto media industry, we need to be updating you guys over the social media as well, through Facebook, through Instagram, through Twitter, and it really helps for us to have all that media on our phones. And that's one of the reasons why we are so quick with our updates on Instagram, on Facebook. Shooting on cell phones has really enabled us to connect with you better, and in that endeavor, OnePlus have been our very reliable partners. And this specific edition is an ode to the world famous McLaren F1 team, which is one of the best known F1 teams in the world, and it's all about speed, and is not just a salute to speed but also a salute to Bruce McLaren, the guy who founded the legendary McLaren firm. And it all began in 1963 when New Zealander Bruce McLaren created his racing team. And along with this beautiful packaging, which has a carbon fiber theme to it, you get this booklet which talks about Bruce McLaren and how he realized his dreams despite not having too much resource at hand. And according to him, the life is not measured in years, it's measured in achievements, and he did really achieve a lot in his lifetime. And this is the McLaren MCL33, and this is the OnePlus 60, which is inspired by that machine. And it's not just a claim. This phone actually has possibly the best specs anywhere on the planet right now. It has got 10 GB of phenomenal RAM. It's powered by the Snapdragon 845 SoC, and in terms of performance, there are hardly any other phones in the world which can match this. But what really stands out is how this phone looks with this beautiful accent of orange, and it's highlighted very beautifully when you move the phone. It's not just your regulation paint, it's a highlight which really brings to fore a very beautiful shadow and light effect. Also, if you look closely, you will find that there is a very beautiful carbon fiber effect underneath the glass back, and all of it looks very beautiful. The display looks very beautiful, and it also has this phenomenal in-screen fingerprint sensor which is lightning fast again. And all of it really makes this a phone worth buying for each one of you auto aficionados. I've been using this phone for almost 15-20 days now. I've always been using a OnePlus phone for the past 5 years, and that's not just because they support us. I was a big OnePlus fan right from the outset. Just to give you some facts, OnePlus has some of the lowest failure rates in the industry. Their phones don't fail, and that's one of the reasons why their phones fetch you the highest rates in the used phone market. So these phones have stood the test of time, and we have been using them for the past 1 year, making videos with them, putting them to extensive use, and they have never ever failed on us. So if you're an auto aficionado, this phone is going to be of great use to you. You would have seen the quality of our videos. We never use any other camera. So the quality of the videos, the stabilization, especially when we are on the move, when the cars are moving at very high speeds, despite all of that, the stabilization is very good. So that is testimony to the camera quality of that phone. However, just to let you know what else you get here is, apart from this beautiful booklet, inside the box you have this special braided wire for extra ruggedness, and you have this charging brick. And this, by the way, is not just the fastest phone, it's also the fastest charging phone on the planet. So it can give you 50% of battery life on its 3700 mAh battery in just 20 minutes, and it will charge to its full capacity in just 1 hour. So while on the go, you cannot have a faster charging phone. So as the tagline reads, it's a salute to speed, and it reflects in every way you look at this phone, the way it performs, the way it charges, and the way it goes about its business without making a fuss. Also, another important thing that you'd probably want to notice is that since the OnePlus 60 has lost its 3.5mm jack, it now comes with this adapter which you can put into its Type-C socket, and you still have your 3.5 mm jack. So although you don't have a physical socket here, you still can use your headphones with this phone if you so wish. But I'll keep the best for the last, and with this phone you get this beautiful real carbon fiber McLaren logo shaped piece embedded in this beautiful glass case, which you can probably put on your desk, and it really would reflect the fact that you are actually a speed aficionado. I really love it, and I keep it on my desk because it's really something special for me. For all that premium branding, for all that association with the legendary McLaren brand, for being inspired by an F1 team, and in fact being one of the fastest phones on the planet, this one retails only for 50,999 rupees. And if you really compare it with phones which have similar performance, it's a no contest. It's one of the best value for money phones you can buy if you are an auto aficionado. I can tell you that because I've been using this phone. It has that stamp of exclusivity over it, and honestly speaking, if you want a phone which is no compromises, not even on the price, because it's actually good value for money, you should definitely give this one a try. The phones that we use go through some of the hardest tests because we shoot come rain or shine. We have shot a lot of cars while it was raining. We shot cars, we travel across the country, we shoot cars in snow, we shoot cars in the desert, and we shoot cars at high speeds, low speeds, in wind. And I really would like to thank OnePlus for associating with us. Their phones, more than anything else, have been our very sturdy, very reliable partners. They have always delivered no matter what. As someone who has been using their products very, very rigorously, probably more than anyone else I know, I really would like to congratulate them, congratulate Carl Pei and the entire OnePlus team for creating products which are not just top tier in terms of performance, but also are very, very reliable and are very, very well priced. You also get this very beautiful and sturdy case for your McLaren Edition OnePlus 60, and it's finished again in faux carbon fiber obviously, and it looks very nice and works very well to protect your phone from whatever you might want to subject it to. I really hope that you like this video, and if you are a speed aficionado, I would really insist that you go and check this phone out. It's really beautiful and you'd really love using it. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Amit Changani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, and drive safe.